Apple is preparing to revolutionize the smartwatch industry once again with the upcoming release of the Apple Watch Series 11. As we inch closer to September 2025, leaks and insider reports have painted a compelling picture of what we can expect from the next generation of Apple's most popular wearable. With significant enhancements in hardware, design, and artificial intelligence, the Apple Watch 11 promises to be the company's most advanced and feature-packed smartwatch yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From its rumored release date and pricing details to the shocking new upgrades that are making waves across the tech world, the Apple Watch Series 11 is generating an unprecedented level of excitement among Apple fans, health tech enthusiasts, and everyday users alike. The Apple Watch Series 11 is expected to be unveiled during Apple's traditional fall event, which typically takes place in early to mid-September. Based on Apple's historical launch patterns and recent leaks from reliable sources, the likely announcement date will fall between September 10th and 12th, 2025. Pre-orders are anticipated to open shortly after the event, with shipping beginning around September 20th. These timelines are consistent with previous Apple Watch launches, such as the Series 10, which was released in September 2024. Apple tends to maintain a highly predictable launch cycle, and all signs suggest that the Series 11 will continue this trend. In terms of pricing, Apple appears to be maintaining its tiered approach. According to multiple industry insiders, the base model of the Apple Watch Series 11, featuring GPS connectivity and an aluminum case, is expected to start at $399 in the United States. The GPS Plus cellular variant will likely begin at $499, while models made of stainless steel or premium materials may climb to $699 or more. There are also whispers of a high-end version priced upwards of $999, possibly including exclusive straps or a ceramic body. Apple may also update its Apple Watch Ultra line alongside the Series 11, with the Ultra 3 rumored to carry a price tag between $799 and $899. These prices are largely in line with Apple's current smartwatch pricing structure, though regional variations, taxes, and promotional bundles may influence final costs. While the launch window and price range are important, the real excitement comes from the new features and upgrades Apple is bringing to the table. At the center of all the buzz are three major upgrades, each one representing a significant leap forward in how we interact with and benefit from our smartwatches. First, the design of the Apple Watch Series 11 is rumored to undergo its most dramatic visual overhaul in years. Leaked CAD renders and supply chain reports suggest that the Series 11 will adopt a flatter, more angular look, akin to the design language of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPad Pro. The edges will be squared off, giving the watch a sleek, modern profile that better integrates with Apple's overall hardware ecosystem. The bezels around the display are expected to shrink, offering a larger viewing area without increasing the physical footprint. Combined with new color options such as titanium gray, midnight blue, and a refreshed product red, the Series 11 is poised to become not just a tech upgrade but a fashion statement. The second shocking upgrade lies in the realm of health, specifically, the introduction of a non-invasive blood pressure monitoring feature. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and other well-known leakers, Apple has been developing this capability for years, and it's finally ready for prime time, at least in a beta capacity. This feature will not provide precise systolic and diastolic numbers like a medical-grade cuff, but it will allow users to